So finally we have received this Samsung single door direct cooled refrigerator. It's 1212 liter and it's about the power saving guide. So it's 3-star rating and it comes with 10 years warranty on your compressor, and apart from that 1 year warranty for the manufacturing defects and all that. It will be covered in manufacturing. And next comes, so runs on home inverter, and it consumes less power than 2 CFL bulbs, and you don't need any stabilizer to operate it. You can operate freely without any stabilizer, as you can see that stabilizer free operation. It comes with 21 years of reliability tested by VD. That is only from Samsung, wherein they mention that uh, it will work as long as 21 years, and maybe over that, and that what Samsung assures of. Let me quickly go across to the sites as well. And so it's manual and warranty card. And it's do's and don'ts. It's a back panel. Let me show you. So basically this is interior. As you can see, this is egg tray, and this is bottle holder, so it can occupy 2 liters of bottle easily without any hassle. And 3 compartments are there, and this is to carry your vegetable and fruits. So well, moving ahead, other things are there. It's about the pricing when I have received it. So although the price on the box is 19,990, but I have received this product at a discounted price of 14,850. It's the manufacturing unit of June 2020, so that is a special for me. And it comes with instruction booklet, warranty card, which I have already shown you, and other things are there. It's about where it's been manufactured, registered office for all products related complaint, and in case you need any assistance, toll free number is given there. Dimensions. So look wise, I have to appreciate Samsung for this cool and elegant product, and I don't have words how to explain it, but let me see how it works. For now, for the quick instance, the cooling was okay and it was fine. And yeah, one more thing is there. It's the key. It's made of plastic. So that's for all. If in case anything is left, please let us know. Thanks.